and it's very, very common, and it tends to happen at about 2 to 3 months old. So when people phone me up and they've got canaries or finches, they're dying at 2 to 3 months old, 9 times out of 10 it's Coccidia. Now, the simple solution for Coccidia as a preventative is the herbal stuff, even in basic flats or in feast. We have a drug called Acox, which is a very old-fashioned drug called Amprolium. Works really well. I would only use Acox if I had a problem. So if somebody phones me up, I'm losing my green finches, these are the symptoms, yeah, that's okay. Put them onto Feast or Basics Plus, send them some Acox, get them to use the Acox for this year, and we'd use it before the chicks hatch. We give it to the adults before the chicks hatch. And we may use it next year, and then by the 3rd year we'll forget about the drug and just go back to the food.
Is that the same as like basically poultry? Little chicks, that they die of Cox, isn't they?
Yeah, yeah.
And the first symptom is they die.
You can buy poultry feeds with anti-coccidials in them.
Too, what we used to use was potassium permanganate. Just
Okay.
little